Question: what is the most stable asset known to mankind that you know of right now? Something that has been around and held value for centuries. Gold, right? And precious metals. Now, guys, do I have a surprise for you? You can all make 8 to 12% per month with Goldbridge crypto. Like clockwork, with zero negative trades ever. And wait for it. On autopilot by just using the Goldbridge sacrifice and throwing your money into a phantom trader that copies a real trader in real life? Wait, what? Yeah, you heard that right. More to come on that sacrifice, phantom trader, and copycatting in just a bit. And the best part of it is that you only have to be a part of this exclusive club and pay a membership fee to have access to it. Wait. Didn't Bernie Madoff do something exactly like this? Yeah, but we'll cover that later too. Now, I cannot tell you just yet whether or not this is legit, but the analysis is in this video, so stay tuned. This was a very highly requested video by all of you, and if you want to know whether or not to pass or fail this protocol, then make sure that you smash that like button. Make sure you hit subscribe, boom, bang on that notification bell. Comment anything that you want in the relevant sections. I appreciate it. Now, let's see if this is a gold nugget in a sea full of turds, or if it is just the same toilet bowl waiting to flush your money down the drain. Now, since they have essentially no white paper or documentation, we had to do some digging in their YouTubes and website videos to find all of this info. Also, since their group is closed because it is full, we couldn't really get insider info unless somebody wants to come forward. You know how to get a hold of me. Sound familiar? Bernie? Goldbridge copy trading is run by Jonathan Seller, the Drip Farm on YouTube, and Crypto Mike, also a YouTuber. So Mike apparently has rich friends that actually make big money. He got an offer for a gold trading group, super elite, but the minimum was $250,000. Sounds exclusive. Good backstory so far, really setting the tone for the taboo and exclusivity of it, really building that story. They then commenced to show you a phantom account and chart that definitely couldn't be faked, no way, of, get this, a master gold trader that was trading for a group of the super wealthy 1% elites. Wouldn't you like to be those guys? Or at least get access to the same stuff those 1%er million and billionaires have access to? With your $1,000? Through these two YouTube guys. Not weird at all. Especially since they had to pool their funds to come up with the $250K to get into said trading phantom protocol that they can't talk about. But whatever. They probably all go to the same country club. Clearly they're on the same level as these guys. Oh, and look at their calendar ROI tracker. Somehow they've never lost money, ever, since April of 2022. Okay. But I have digressed. This chart was absolutely wild. Straight moonshot. Oh, and they won't tell you who the trader is for security reasons. Definitely couldn't be because they don't want you to see the trader's trades and be able to fact check them against their posted returns. No way. And then they explain there has been 0 red days. I think he said up and to the right. Sound good? Then they decide to hit you with the elite trading fund keyword and basically build the story. You will have access to it with $1,000. One weird thing that they talked about was that they hate bots. Then in the next sentence, they commence to talk about the bot that they are building with one of the best devs in the marketplace. Okay. And they won't show you anything because they don't want copycats or forks. Weird. So if this guy is so well known, this phantom gold genius, golden god trader, right? Then anyone can copy him. So what would that have to do with anything if you were telling people that that's the person you're copying? If anything, it might give you more credibility to say we're actually copying somebody. This is the guy. Showing trades doesn't give people real-time data. It is afterwards, after the trades, to actually see that you're trading. No one's asking for your algo. Now, this is where it gets good. The only way to get in is to sacrifice USDT on ETH. So, what does sacrifice mean? That means there is no guarantee you will get your money back at all. No ability to withdraw, nothing until their 30-day vesting period ends. We're off to a good start. They do say that you can claim your money back at the end of the 30 days, but they obviously tell you to compound because, and I quote, that's what smart money does. No, it's not. Smart money takes their income every single time. They let their money work for them. They don't compound. People building a portfolio compound. Smart money already has money, so they use their money to generate income to sustain their life every single month. The next thing they cover is how safe it is to trade gold Forex. First off, no, it isn't. No Forex is safe. Is gold safer than most? Yeah, maybe, but that is open to interpretation. Anyone can get wrecked, so having some phantom trader doesn't really tell you anything. The fact they're claiming to have 0 down days in a year, big red flag, man. Ask any trader. They tout that they can prove everything, but they refuse to prove anything. A phantom chart from an unknown account they could have either built or found on Google Docs, that basically does nothing. Unfortunately, in the whole video, they prove nothing. No trades, no previous logs, nothing. Just some phantom story about how this guy on one fateful day got access to this protocol, figured out who this dude was, and now they're copy trading him. And just to be clear, logs from past performance don't give away the trader nor the algo, so that's not really an excuse to be like, yo, we're not giving you anything. Go check in Wolfer Finance. We show you all of our trade profit screenshots, even the ones that lose. And spoiler alert, everybody loses. No one wins 100% of the time. Michael Jordan didn't even win 100% of the time, and he's the best basketball player of all time. And guess what? We can actually download the logs and show you the trades too. Weird. Then they go out and tell you that if you want to be a part of these elite groups that nobody has access to, then you have to do it through Goldbridge. And they tell you that you could lose your whole sacrifice, and this is the only way to hedge against crypto, rug pulls, impending doom, etc. You are elite. Even in a bear market, we make money. Wow, so exclusive. I want access to that. Oh, wait, you can't get access to it because apparently their 500 spots are sold out. And apparently they're trying to do an added bonus for anyone that invests and compounds every dollar for 6 months. Please don't take your money out of the protocol that we could potentially use to pay the people who are taking their profits. Compound, we'll give you a bonus. Now, keep in mind, if you don't withdraw, your sacrifice will automatically be compounded into the following month, keeping the money in the protocol. And also, there are no fees from our side for any deposits or withdrawals. Well, except for the massive membership fee of Goldbridge. But that's not a fee, guys. Chill. If you go to their risk disclosure policy, Goldbridge makes it very clear that you are only paying for a membership to Goldbridge and should not expect any profit. Good stuff for the SEC. I get that. Your money is a gift to them and is for entertainment, built-in rug protection. Literally, go look. Now, they changed it up so that the only way to get into Goldbridge is through the membership. So let's go over that now. Membership is $95 per month, but they will increase that every month once they open it back up and they're printing green days, which apparently is every day to them. By the way, the first 500 spots sold out, and now there are 500 more spots coming in January. Just a side note on this, not saying, but I'm saying. This is exactly what Bernie Madoff did to people. They would ask to get in, he would tell them he didn't have any spots, bandwidth, capacity, whatever you want to call it, right? Then a few months later, he would hit them up, so they would stew over it for a few months, and then they'd throw a lot more money in when they finally got their chance for this exclusive club. And it was very effective for him. He actually operated that Ponzi for like 17 years that we know of. See their membership section where it says that you can invest up to 5K more every single month with the membership. Seems a little familiar, but whatever. Another weird thing is that they only have $4 million locked up. Gold Forex trades billions of dollars per day. $4 million is nothing in the market. So why are they locking it and saying nobody else can get in? It's not like you don't have the trading bandwidth for it, right? It's because it's calculated. Read the room. Remember what we just said previously. And if you don't remember it, rewind. Now, here's the other things that you get, because gold investors definitely want this extra stuff, right? You got to pay attention for this. Access to the prize pool lottery on months that Goldbridge hits target goals, gift cards, TVs, cash bonuses. Access to our private sacrificers only Discord. Okay. Probably need that. Access to Scalpers Anonymous live streams with Crypto Mike walking us through his trading strategies, mirroring the results as seen in Goldbridge. Access to a scaling to your first 10,000 subs on YouTube course with the guy himself, Jonathan Seller, because these people that want passive income and want you to trade for them definitely want to create a YouTube channel that takes like dozens of hours a week to do, definitely for sure. Access to How I Make 1 to 3% per day course with Crypto Mike. What? Access to Jonathan's plug for every channel, movie, pay-per-view, and shows for $50 per month. Access to the Goldbridge Vault for multi-members only. Access to future whitelist opportunities too. And the Goldbridge Vault is for people that buy 2 memberships or more. You actually get access to a secret vault of a phantom investment only known by them and the people with that membership. They fund it with $100K, choose an investment, and then give the members all of the profits. Okay, so why are they doing all of this? Well, the same reason they didn't incorporate. They don't want to be regulated as a financial institution by the SEC, and they want no liability. If this implodes or they potentially take all the money, they can't be held accountable. The membership is what stops the regulation. It's a very common practice. Now, these guys are very heavy in the social game right now and in the social realm, so do I really think that they're going to rug pull people? Not necessarily, but for $10 million, it's pretty easy to retire and never post on social media again, so just keep that in mind. Everyone has a walk away number. You need to figure out what theirs is and what benefit they get from this besides just the $5,000 in fees that they make per month on the memberships. Because remember, John and company are worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, or so they say, so why would they split 5 to 10K per month with themselves, a dev, etc.? It seems like slow money to these guys. I don't really see it, but if you do, let me know in the comments section. Do whatever you want to do. I'm just delivering the information because you all requested it. Now, are they doing what they're saying that they're doing behind the scenes? I have absolutely no idea. I definitely wouldn't go out on a limb and say that they are. It seems very weird to me, and I definitely wouldn't bet my bottom dollar on it. So with that being said, make your own decision. If you like content like this, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you hit subscribe. Boom! Bang on that notification bell. Comment anything that you want in the relevant sections. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for showing up to this video. I will see you in the next one. Have a good day, everyone.